Good evening, ma'am. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jitender. I am studying ECE in RMD Engineering College. It is my pleasure to welcome you to listen my beautiful presentation. Today, we will explain about SCR and its characteristics. The full form of SCR is Silicon Control Rectifier. SCR is a 3 terminals, 4 layers, and 2 junction device. Now, let us see the SCR circuit diagram and its characteristics in LT-SPICE. First of all, open the LT-SPICE and select the file and select the new schematic. After that, go to the component and type SCR and click on the SCR and place it on your screen. After placing, press escape so that there will be one SCR on your screen, and go to the resistor and take two resistors and place it on your screen. To rotate the resistors, press Ctrl plus R. Now again go to the component and type voltage and click on that voltage source and place it on your screen. Take two voltage sources parallelly and press escape. After that, go to the pencil symbol which is used to join the elements. Now join the first voltage source to the resistor and one terminal of resistor to the one terminal of SCR, and the anode of the SCR to the another terminal of the another resistor, that is R2 resistor. Be careful while joining the elements. And now join the another terminal of R2 resistor to positive terminal of the voltage V2. Now join the negative terminal of voltage V1 to negative terminal of the voltage V2, and also join the third terminal of SCR to the ground and connect one ground symbol at the end, and join the circuit by using wire. After that, check whether the circuit is correct or wrong. Now go to the Google and search SCR Spice model download. Press enter and go to the st.com website for better files. Now go to the search and type SCR Spice model high temperature and click on that. It starts downloading. After downloading, click on that. We can able to see the high temperature folder. Copy that high temperature folder and come back to the desktop and press right click on the LT Spice and press on the open file location. We can see the library folder and paste the high temperature folder here and open that high temperature folder. We can able to see the ST high temperature library file. Press right click on that and open the properties and copy the location. While copying, be careful and come back to the LT Spice. Please keep the circuit properly and go to the OP, that is Spice Directive toolbar. Press on that and paste the location here. Before pasting, type .inc space. After that, paste the file location and after the SCR, keep the slash and again come back to the library file and copy the file name. After the slash, paste the file name and at the last type .lib and press OK. Place the ID properly on your screen and now come back to the library file and click on the ST high temperature file. It will open in Notepad or in any Word document and search for TN5015H60 name, and there it is, and copy that name alone. After that name, we can able to see the AKG. It is the order of the terminals. Please remember it. And now copy the name TN5015H alone. And now come back to the LT Spice and click on the SCR and now erase the SCR at the value, and now the paste the TN50158060 name there, and press open symbol. There will be 3 terminals. Click on the first terminal. We can able to see the name A and netlist order as 1. After that, click on the second terminal. We can see the name as K and netlist order is 2. And click on the third terminal. We can able to see the name as G and the netlist order is 3. As we seen before, the order is AKG. Like that only here also there 1 2 3 as the netlist order. After that, click on the resistor 1, that is R1, and give the value as 1000 ohms, and click on the resistor 2, that is R2, and give the value as 1000 ohms. After that, go to the stimulate and edit stimulation command, and go to the DC sweep and select the second source. After that, give the name for the second source as V2 and give the start value as 0 and stop value as 60 and increment is 5. Be careful while giving the values, and now click on OK. Place that label carefully on the screen on that V2 voltage and give the value as 60 volts. After that, press on that voltage V1 and give the value as 30 volts, and now click on that run button. Close the diode symbol window and place the black probe at the anode. We can able to see the graph of IAK and VAK, that is current from anode to cathode and the voltage from anode to cathode. Now go to the circuit window and press on that scissor button. We can able to see scissor and cut the V2 voltage and go to the component. Now type as voltage and select the voltage source and place it in a reverse bias position. After that, press escape. Now click on that V2 voltage source and give the value as 60 volts, and press on the V1 voltage source and give the value as 5 volts. Now go to the run button. Now place the black probe just near to the anode and place the red probe above the anode. Now we can able to see the clear graph of IAK and VAK, that is current from anode to cathode and voltage from anode to cathode. These are the VI characteristics of SCR. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this wonderful opportunity.